Where's the dogs?
Gee, they look pretty mad.
Yeah, I've been starving them, teasing them, singing off key. Me mo, me moo mo.
Take a look, media. Nigga, this is Gretzky. Keep it real with a nigga, what is it? Is it a lizard or a blizzard? My niggas get with it, we get money all day, nigga, all year round. Gonna fuck around and gonna hoe ass nigga down. We flip pound after pound, it's a sucker free city, young Gretzky, nigga. We get San psychotic. Tell me what is it, nigga? What is it? Is it a lizard or a blizzard, huh? Is it a lizard or a blizzard? Is it a lizard or a blizzard? Is it a lizard or a blizzard? We stack stupid chips cause my niggas with the shit. Hit them hoe ass niggas with the remix and the motherfucking prefix. Nigga, we been in the building blowing weed to the motherfucking ceiling. Young bosses feeling like we made a fucking 100 million. And my niggas get it in, we the sickest, illest, realest niggas out here. Fuck, nigga, we don't fear. Strap up, knock a nigga down, clap him up with the metal gear. That's how it goes down. San Francisco, nigga, this my town. Is it a lizard or a blizzard? What is it? Is it a lizard or a blizzard? What is it? Is it a lizard or a blizzard? Tell me what is it, a lizard or a blizzard? Tell me what is it, a lizard or a blizzard? Tell me what is it, a lizard or a blizzard? Tell me what is it, a lizard or a blizzard? Tell me what is it, a lizard or a blizzard? Tell me what is it, a lizard or a blizzard? The nigga just popped some Skittles, now I'm feeling like I'm on some dead shit. Nigga, this is Gretzky, my niggas be with it when we in this game playing like a motherfucking nigga. We ain't MC Hammer, this ain't too legit to quit, nigga. This is dope beat in the building and I'm nigga getting tooted. Feeling too good, we be with the shit, nigga. In these projects, niggas got everything from nuclear warheads to grenades. Nigga, we can catch a fade, but they never wanna do. Nigga, we'll fuck you up in your whole crew. Nigga, this is some motherfucking gangsta shit. Nigga, all over my town, we get down. And these suckers don't wanna get they bitch ass slapped up, clapped up, hit with a pole pound. Nigga, we'll drown a nigga out here in this cold ass water, nigga. Colder than the water under the Bay Bridge, like the San Jose Sharks. Nigga, we ain't playing in this Bay Area. We some motherfucking mobsters. Plus we coming through with these choppers, hanging all outside ways out the helicopter.